up mga kakotes? Megan Kuya Jen. Welcome sa pag-aaral where learning is learning for a game. At kung bago pa lamang sa aming YouTube channel, pindutin mo na ang subscribe, like, and share buttons para maging updated ka sa aming videos. And for this lecture video, we will be continuing what we had left on our previous lecture video. Ayan, it is all about the Visayan mythologies of the Philippines. So in the previous video, we discussed about Kan-Laon. So he's the Bathala figure or the counterpart of Bathala from our Negros Island. Ayan. So, yun. Doon nalaman natin yung story of Kanlaon kung ano yung relationship niya sa mga mangkukulam, sa mga mambabarang, sa mga hermits, and babaylans. And yun, doon din natin nalaman kung ano nga ba yung legend or myth of the Mount Kan-Laon or yung vulkan or yung volcano na Kan-Laon. Ayan, sa ating Negros Island. Ayan, so for this lecture video ito pa rin ay related story about Kan-Laon. So, it is all about Kanlaon pa rin, pero it is a variant legend of Mount Kanlaon. Itong title na to ay tinatawag na Kanlaon and the Farmers. If you are familiar with this, I think pag pinag-aralan nyo yung Philippine literature sa inyong grade 7, ayan, so I think first or second quarter siya sa ating grade 7. Pag napunta na kayo sa Visayan literature, yan, mababasa ninyo yung story or yung variant legend na Kanlaon and the Farmers. So, let the story begin with a once upon a time in the Island of Negros on the top of Mount Kan-Laon lived a deity called Kan-Laon. Okay, si Kan-Laon ay pinangalan sa kanya yung volcano. So, obviously, Mount Kan-Laon from Kan-Laon. Ayan. So, he was the supreme being of the Negrenses and they believe it was him who caused the creation of the world and the mountain. It wasn't a volcano yet. On the time of Kan-Laon, the volcano is a mountain pa lamang doon. Bundok pa lamang siya. Hindi pa siya volcano kasi hindi pa nagkakaroon ng crater yung Mount Kan-Laon during that time. So, the Grense people believe that the mountain is the home of Kan-Laon. Ayun, doon naninirahan si Kan-Laon. So one day, a group of eager tobacco farmers was able to reach the top of the volcano and was greeted by him. One woman said, "Oh great Kanlaon, we are humbled by your presence. Would you allow us tobacco farmers to use some of your land to plant our crop?" Okay, so it just so happens Kanlaon was in a good mood and gave his consent to the farmers. So, if you are not familiar with tobacco in Tagalog, ayan, yung tobacco is yung ginagamit ng mga tribes or ng mga Asian people nung wala pang vape or in short, sigarilyo siya. Ayan, siya yung nasa loob ng sigarilyo. Ayan, so isa siyang plant ay pinatuyo siya tapos yun yung nagko-cause ng fire sa pag sinindihan na yung sigarilyo like that. Ayun. So, I will allow you to use my land just as long as you do not plant near my house on the crater, Kan-Laon said. So he then drew a line around the top of the mountain and showed it to the farmers and told them they should never exceed this limit. The farmers complied and they made sure they never went past the line when they planted their crops and everything went well. Okay, yung pinayagan naman sila ni Kan-Laon na magtanim ng mga tabako sa land ni Kan-Laon. Ang sabi lang ni Kan-Laon na yung tama lang, ayan, wag sila lalagpas sa pinagbabawal ni Kan-Laon na magtanim daw sa malapit sa bahay niya, ayan, or the crater. So, di ba nasabi natin kanina na wala pang crater? what I meant there is wala pang lavang na form sa loob ng crater kaya hindi pa siya sinatawag na volcano. Maybe it is an inactive or a dormant volcano pero there is no record na sumabog pa yung Mount Kan-Laon during this story. It was believed by our Nengrense people. Ayan. So one day, however, Kanlaon told them, I must leave you and meditate. So please remember, never stray beyond the line. Ayan, so kapag kasi lumagpas ka sa pinagbabawal or sa limitation na tinakda sa iyo ng isang tao, there will be a chance that that people may be angry or may lead you to misfortune and misunderstanding. Okay, like that. So, and with that warning, he disappeared. So, nawala si Kanlaon para mag-meditate sa kanyang land. Okay, so without giving them a hint of when he will be coming back. So, hindi nagsabi si Kanlaon if kailan siya babalik. So, this is a test kung saan susubukin ang patience or pasensya ng mga farmers and dito parang nag-aagaw yung kanilang id or super ego. Yung id nila is ganito. Wala pa naman si Kanlaon so magtatanim ako ng tabako sa malapit sa bahay niya kasi sayang naman yung lupa 'di ba? Pero sabi ng super ego nila na wag muna sila magtanim sa malapit sa bahay ni Kanlaon kasi maybe today or later, bumalik si Kanlaon at magalit nga. So, yun yung psychological, hindi siya psychoanalytic analysis natin for this story. Ayan, psychoanalytic story. Ayan. For several years, the farmers kept their promise and never strayed. Ayan, so years na yung dumaan, hindi pa rin bumabalik si Kanlaon. And their tobacco continued to multiply. Yung mga tabako nila is their product. Ayan, yun yung ginagawa nilang hanap buhay din. So, but soon, almost the entire mountain was covered by their crop. So, yung buong kabundukan ay napuno na ng crop kasi nga hindi na nila nakokontrol yung growth ng mga tabako. So we have a saying na lahat ng sobra ay nakakasama at lahat ng kulang ay nakakasama, 'di ba? So that saying may apply on this story. And they have nowhere else to plant. Ayan. So dahil punong-puno na ng tabako yung kabundukan, so ang isang option na lang nila is to plant near the house or the crater of Kanlaon. So one brave farmer dared to plant his tobacco beyond the line. So may isang nagtangkang magsasaka na nagsabi na magtatanim daw siya sa malapit sa bahay or sa empty space na meron pa sa mountain, which earned the dismay of his colleagues, causing them to get angry at him. So, syempre, nagalit yung mga kapwa niyang farmers. And yun ang nag-cause ng kanilang argument or pagtatalo. Dito na nga, si unang farmer, yung matapang na farmer, mas nanaig sa kanya yung kanyang id or yung kanyang yung kanyang high id or higher ego. Ayan. So, mas sinunod niya yung pinagbabawal, nag-take risk siya what if naman walang mangyari dito, yun. So, the other farmers were taken by their super ego na wag daw magtanim, like that. So, yun yung analysis natin.